A very warm welcome to another episode of Every Line is a Question. Today we are discussing tracking phenomena in hypertension. What we need to know is that what is it, first thing first, and what is the significance of it. These are the only two questions you're gonna ever get from this topic. So let's get started. Tracking of blood pressure, all you need to know is the persistence of rank order. It's like when someone is at some rank, they don't want to lose it, they want to maintain it. Similarly, you can relate it to the law of inertia from physics कि जो जिस state में है वो उस state को maintain करना चाहता है. So this is all about that. So let me explain more कि क्या मतलब है in easy way, that if you measure blood pressure in early childhood of some person and you keep monitoring it till adult life, if the blood pressure in early childhood was low, then the adult life maybe the blood pressure will be low. If it was on the higher side, then it will be on the higher side in adult life as well. So this is what the this persistence of rank order of blood pressure means on follow-up over a period of years from early childhood to adulthood. What is the significance of it? It helps in identifying the children and adolescent at risk. So early, if you know this kid's blood pressure is higher in his childhood days, then also it will be higher in his adulthood time. So this helps us in identifying the risk. So 3 questions can be asked, like 3 basic MCQs. If the blood pressure, first is the definition. Let's repeat it again. If the blood pressure of an individual is followed up over years, okay, from childhood, बचपन से लेके adulthood तक, लो ब्लड प्रेशर टेंड्स टू रिमेन लो. जो लो है वो लो रहना चाहेगा, वेयर एज हाई ब्लड प्रेशर टेंड्स टू रिमेन हाई. जो हाई है वो हाई रहना चाहेगा एज दे ग्रो ओल्डर. दिस फिनोमिनन ऑफ परसिस्टेंस ऑफ रैंक ऑर्डर ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर इज नोन एज ट्रैकिंग. This is what tracking is. This is helpful. What is the significance of it? It is helpful in identifying children and adolescents who are at risk developing hypertension in the future. Okay, last thing but not the least, one more question can be asked. Although blood pressure is known to increase with age, right? Although we say that as we grow, the arteries get stiff and many phenomena happen, this, that, and that results in increase of BP over age in both sexes. But in some communities have identified that those whose mean blood pressure does not rise with age. Some communities have been identified whose mean, so this is not a universal statement. This is because their salt intake and calorie consumptions are at subsistence level. So this is just to know a little bit. Mostly the questions will be asked from this and this. So you need to remember what is tracking. Tracking is the persistence of rank order of blood pressure, where the low pressure wants to stay low, high pressure wants to stay high over a period of time from childhood to adulthood. Okay, this is all we needed to know, and this is all they are going to ever ask if they asked what tracking is. So thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next video with some other questions.